Good morning, cool dudes. Welcome to day 6 of my South Downs way. Yesterday pretty much almost killed me. 22 odd miles plus whatever extra miles it was. Horrific. Luckily, my friend had the greatest invention ever. This weird massage belt thing which I wore for probably 2 hours. Otherwise I wouldn't be alive today. Anyway, I'm going to attempt Rodmell to Alfriston. How long is it? About 9 or 10 miles. Pretty easy. Gonna get a nice pub lunch and just try and enjoy it for once. And guess what, cool dude? There's only 19.4 miles left. It's probably 19.3 by the time I'm saying this. The one thing this walk has really made me hate is chalk paths. Endless chalk paths. That church looks old. Have a guess. How old do you think it is? I looked up the church, cool dudes. The nave was built in circa 11th century, so that's 900 years, and the tower 12th century, 800 years. So basically, I was pretty much right. I hope you did well too. There's a well-hidden water tap round the side of it. Perhaps the grimmest looking soap bar I've ever seen. Yeah, piss off, walkers. Yes, please, mate. I was looking forward to that nice cup of coffee and cake, cool dudes. But unfortunately, some bloke came and sat behind me and talked really loudly about dog shit on his phone for probably about the entire 50 minutes. A monologue about dog shit. So that brings us to today's competition. What's a word for someone who speaks too loudly on their phone? Put your answers and membership numbers below, and winner will get one of these amazing notebooks, the greatest prize in history. Well, you know, normally when you feed your dog, it comes out quite a big sizable stuff. Got a big dog, you know, big dog. Well, since I've been using Nature's Way, it comes out in 4 little nuggets. You can pick it up just like that, put it in a bag. Lovely. I am trying to eat my cake. It is quite a big climb from Southeast. But after that, I think it's downhill all the way to Alfriston. Nice one. It does get to the point where you're so sick of chalk paths that when you see a cowpat, 50% of you thinks, oh, that would be quite nice and soft to tread in that rather than the hard ground. Is that weird? The tender, soft cowpat caressing my feet. I am probably a bit delirious or dehydrated when genuinely seeking out cowpats to walk in. This, cool dudes, is Long Barrow, and I think it's the highest point of the South Downs. There's 360 views. I'll give you a bit of it now to music. I'm camping out tonight in a campsite which has mixed to bad reviews. So we'll see how that goes, because tomorrow, the final day, I've just checked the weather, cool dudes, and the storm is coming in at around 1 o'clock, possibly one of the biggest rainstorms of all time. But I have to complete the walk by 1 o'clock, which means getting up at the crack of dawn and doing it before the rain comes. Can it be done? I can't wait to watch that episode, and I'm in it. I tell you what I would like to see to cheer me up. Some small horses. This is the cutest pony field in the world. The cutest collection of horses I've ever seen in the world. Isn't that right, mate? More ancient burial grounds. Descending into Alfriston now. Nice one, cool dudes. I've made it to Alfriston. Nearly 5 hours, 9.2 miles. I'm pretty ruined. I think my feet got done in from yesterday. Yeah, lots of nice views. That's what you get this walk. Lots of nice views. I'm going to find myself a place to get a burger. Possibly this place at George Inn. That's it for today. The big day is tomorrow, where I will try and beat the storm. Thanks for watching. Good luck, everyone. Oh yeah, join the club. And most importantly, stay cool. See you later.